sa Angeles City, Pampanga. I'm so excited. Nagaling doon si Nico. Kasi nga, doon ako lumaki, tsaka yun talaga yung hometown ko.
Actually, pagpasok ko nga, I thought I was not in Angeles, Pampanga. Kasi because of the place, I thought I was in Las Vegas. Totoo lang.
Yes.
Tsaka along the road yun, may itang puro hotels na dikit-dikit.
Dikit-dikit.
Pero yung ABC talaga, yung nagsa-stand out. Kasi it's like, hindi siya yung typical na hotel na yung parang
Para siyang-
square lang yung gano'n,
Para-
diba? Siya yung parang may corona-corona pa siya, diba?
Parang palasyo.
Yun, correct.
So, pinakita nila yung swimming pool. At yung swimming pool, nakakatuwa dahil yung mga buhangin, kasi may yung swimming pool, merong part na may buhangin. Nung pumasok na kami, unti-unti binubuksan nila yun. Nung binuksan na nila yun, so wow talaga. Dahil, yung carpeted.
Pag naglakad ka doon, sa sobrang soft niya, feel mo nasa heaven ka na pa naglalakad sa sobrang lambot, diba?
Tayo magkasya ba yung
Anim na
anim na
tao,
tao, di ba? Alam mo yun, yung mga nung unang panahon, pag yung mga hari, di ba, ang higaan nila malalaki, pero isa lang higa, parang ganun.
We have many of those people who come here in the presidential suite. But of course you have to understand we don't say who those people are. That was stage spread. As I said, go home. ABC is a home for everybody.
Here in ABC, we cater from businessmen to travelers. So since we have businessmen coming in and have work to do, we put a small business office in here. The whole hotel is Wi-Fi.
All my staff, from the front desk to the housekeeping, we are a team. And because we are a team, that's why we are the best.
Nandun ka sa hotel eh, parang you can do whatever you want. Walang limitation talaga. Parang wala silang pakialam. It's a free world, actually.
Parang sa prinsipe, nag-check-in doon, gano'n yan. Yung alam mo yun, na pag nandun ka, nandun na lahat. Yun, after namin yun, tinignan yung mga rooms, no, lumabas kami kagad. And pumunta kagad kami doon sa Angeles City.
Flying Club.
Tagal na ako nakatira sa amin, sa Angeles City. I think 20 years na. Pero hindi ko napuntahan to. And hindi ko alam na meron palang ganito sa amin, sa Angeles City, yung may flying club. And napakamura pala.
In total, we have probably getting on for 40 aircraft. This is a Quicksilver, which is a basic ultralight trainer. To get it flying in the Philippines is going to cost you around about 25,000 US.
It's open for public, but as soon as you solo, you have to be a member of the club. We teach most of the time. We teach Filipino and foreigners to learn how to fly our ultralights.
At first, I was really scared kasi open siya. Hindi siya yung typical airplane na sasakyan mo na close.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Safety first. There we are.
Ito talagang open. So mararamdaman mo talaga pag nandun ka na.
Papipiliin ka pa nila ng aeroplano. Ano bang gusto mo? Gusto mo ba yung dahan-dahan lang, yung mahinhin lumipad? O gusto mo yung mas mabilis? Yung tinasakyan kasi natin usually, palaki, and talagang sarado. Yun hindi. Dalawa lang kayo. Ikaw pang mahawak ng manibela, tapos open talaga. Nung lumipad kami, talagang tinag-drive nila ako kahit mga I think 10 seconds. Yung hindi ginalaw ng pilot yung manibela.
Ito mo yun?
Oo, ako nag-drive. Well, we saw fields, mga bahay-bahay. Tapos, nakita namin yung Mount Arayat na mas malapitan, na mas maganda.
The organizers club, parang naman matry ng mga Pilipino kung paano talaga magpalipad, diba? At a very small price lang.
Okay, if you want to come along just for a trial introductory flight, it's going to cost you approximately 2,600 for a 10-minute flight. Then once you've actually experienced the trial introductory flight, you can then decide whether you want to become an ultralight pilot.
Pagbaba namin, so nung nagland yung aeroplano, may pinakilalang isang piloto sa amin.
Yes, this aircraft was used during the war, and its purpose was it was a trainer. When the boys would get in the service and they would be selected to go into aviation, this was the first airplane they would step into to learn how to fly. The airplane will be put back the way it was originally built. We're taking our time to put the aircraft into museum quality. However, it will be flying.
So after we went to see all the planes, actually excited na ako talaga pumunta sa Sisig, pero sabi ni Ronnie, mas maganda daw pumunta doon paggabi. So we decided to go back to ABC Hotel, tapos chinek na namin yung restaurant, we saw Chef Anton. So si Chef Anton, pinagmamalaki niya yung specialty dish nila doon sa ABC Hotel, which is the Norwegian salmon. So tinuro niya sa amin ni Ronnie kung paano gawin.
Hello, Chef Anton.
Hi, Chef!
How are you doing? Good. Yes. So, what's cooking?
We do today pumpkin salt to make the white wine sauce.
Niluto si Chef Anton na Norwegian salmon. Yeah, yung tinuturo niya sa atin paano ba ito lutuin.
Chef, is this your own recipe?
It's my own recipe, yes. It's always successful, but actually it takes a lot of time because you have to make an intense your dough. This is the dough. Take out the dough.
Why you have to cut it?
Today we make it with salmon. Norwegian salmon, we have the fillet. Then you fillet with some pepper.
Norwegian salmon.
Norwegian salmon.
What's that?
Yan.
This is, what did you put?
Let's put some salt and pepper on it.
Salt, pepper,
And I put a little bit fresh basil and a little bit olive oil. Olive oil, extra virgin.
Healthy.
Actually, it's the basic. Now we're going to top it with the white wine sauce. And in the white wine sauce, we put some smoked salmon. We give it a little bit smoked
Very
flavor to
salmony.
So after nung pinakita ni Chef Anton yung pagluto ng Norwegian salmon, so lumabas na ligo kami. So nag-freshen up and then pumunta na kami sa crossing and para puntahan yung paborito niyo ito.
Masisig ni Aling Lucing.